Alright, time for the bread and butter. The oil change with the tricky which oil filter is it. We'll find out in a second. I don't know if you can see. Oh, biscuits. But here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's not warm, I forgot. This is gonna take days. Alright, let's get this thing off of here. Yep, throw it down in there. Let her drain just a smidgen. Now the part that I don't want to do is guess. Find out one of these is wrong. I'm hoping that one of these is way different. And they're not. Let's see. Should we go with blue or orange? Let's try blue. Blue goes on. Alright, you know the rule. Put some oil on the seal. Why? Because it's too much of a struggle to do it without. Ugh. Alright. Is this the right number? No. Is this the right number? Yes. Put that back in the box. That'll go back to the store. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's do a little pre-soak. And bring a funnel. Probably should have, because I just spilled everywhere. That's okay. Now we wait. We wait and wait and wait. Well, is that good enough? Is that good enough for me? It is good enough for me. Put it on. Let's get a nice up close tighten. Tight. Scoot that out of the way. You want to come up here? Look at that engine. Get in there. Gonna see me dump a lot of oil everywhere? Let's hope to not. Oh, just a little bit. That's okay. It's good for the rust. We don't want no rust. Oh, it's a hot day. Come on. It's way faster to fill without a funnel. Way nicer. Oh! Oh! There we we go. Let's do a little quick test. Oh my goodness. Alright, well, we're full. I don't know why they bought so much oil. I probably should have looked at how much it takes. But it is what it is. That looks like mud. Okay. Love the smell of antifreeze. Believe it or not, that's what you're gonna do. You ain't have a choice. Boom, what do you think? I lost my rag. A little ticky. I found my rag. How much oil is in this now? Perfect. Bada bing, bada boom. We are done with this. All right. We'll see you next time.